Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, we're just going to continue with my Majorettes. I've got two more lots after this. So yeah, in today's video we got a couple of vans. I've got a cab. It's a Toyota Hiace. I've got a Heimer Mobile. I've got a Ford Mustang. I don't know about the artwork, how they got it wrong. And they use the same one for the actual model itself. I've got a Mercedes-Benz, and then I've got a Bugatti. I might do the cars first and leave the vans for last. So let's start off with the Bugatti. Part of Majorette Sports Cars series. They've given this unique box and blister packaging, protective case. Kind of looks more like a mini GT, but obviously not. Alright, let's take a closer look. Beautiful dark red color scheme, guys, with black accents. It's got the Bugatti on the rear spoiler. Pretty neat at the back. Plastic headlights. Beautiful 16 and the logo on the front grille. And as usual, Majorette's trademark. You've got some moving parts going on. Quite nice, guys. Bugatti Chiron Sport. Okay, next one we're looking at with the right packaging is this beautiful Mercedes-Benz metallic color scheme, and that's what they're calling it, metallic series. As always with Majorette, guys, pretty neat detailing and decently priced too. It's quite nice. Okay guys, that's the car out there. Mercedes AMG GT. Pretty neat. 5-spoke rims, beautiful metallic blue color, painted taillights, logo on the back, side mirrors, beautiful Mercedes-Benz logo on the front grille, logo on top as well, beautiful plastic headlights. Amazing, guys. And yes sir, not Matchbox, Majorette's trademark opening parts as well. Okay, moving on, let's look at this Ford Mustang GT in a beautiful silver color scheme with black racing stripes, and it's part of the same metallic series. Not quite sure about the artwork, guys. I wonder why they didn't put the actual car's photo instead of the previous Mercedes-Benz AMG GT's photo. But any which way, it's a beautiful car, guys. I love Mustangs. Another fantastic release by Majorette, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Rear spoiler, painted taillights, side mirrors, plastic headlights, pony logo on the grille. racing stripes. Majorette's beautiful feature of opening doors. Left-hand drive, but it doesn't really feel heavy like a premium car should. So I'll probably consider them semi-premium. I think it's the chassis that gives it away or makes it lose that weight, but it's still quite liking, guys. Okay, looking at the two vans now. I'll have a look at the 1.3 Cabs Australia model, the Toyota Hiace. It's quite common on the streets and at the airports, being a maxi cab. There you go, guys. Majorette's Toyota Hiace, part of 1.3 Cabs, Australian Cabs. I think it's a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seater. Quite beautifully detailed, guys. I love the decals on the side. 5-spoke rims. Painted taillights with plenty of detailing and decals. Side mirrors too, which is always good, and I quite appreciate a brand that actually bothers with side mirrors. Plastic headlights, a bit more detailing on the front. Plenty of detailing on the side as well. Beautiful decals. It's got that nice bar thingy, a light on top with 1.3 Cabs on it. Impressive, guys. Down to the last one, guys. Majorette City Edition or Series, Heimer Mobile XS1. This one feels a bit heavy, I wonder why. The previous one, Toyota Hiace, was like a regular car when it comes to the weight. Quite beautifully detailed, guys. It's got a nice sunroof. I'm guessing this door opens up. Beautiful tail lights. It's got a tow bar. Awesome, guys. Heimer on the front grille, plastic headlights, side mirrors. All right, let's go back to opening this door. Oh, there you go. Pretty neat, guys. Loving it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video, and those are all the cars we had to look at today's unboxing video. The first one we had to look at was a Bugatti Chiron Sport, a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, Ford Mustang GT, Toyota Hiace, and a Heimer Mobile van. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, take care, stay blessed, and God bless you all. I shall definitely catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.